Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and today we're going to be installing the TV 5X Trailer Valet trailer mover, product code for which is RP-2200. First, secure the hitch mount and backing to the frame with 4 bolts. Make sure it's tight and secure before moving on to the next step. Next, place the trailer mover next to it, sliding the mounting attachment receiver into the circle on the mount bracket. Secure the mover to the mount with a pin. Once everything is tight and secure, use the hand crank on the top to raise the jack, lifting the trailer, RV, or other towable unit. Use the hand crank on the side to move the unit forward or backward while using the handle on the opposite side to aid in steering. There are 2 gears, high and low. On low, the gear ratio is 12:1, so every 12 rotations of the hand crank, the wheel rotates once. This is easier to handle, especially for heavier loads. On high, the gear ratio is 4:1, so every 4 rotations of the hand crank, the wheel rotates once. This is difficult to handle, but is faster to do. Once you're all done, just lower the jack and the handle and raise the unit up and out of the way. If you want to find out more, just click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.